Welcome to my YouTube channel. You know, we are in a very peculiar time and it requires also peculiar solutions. During this corona where we cannot go anywhere, where we cannot come out to meet anyone, I have come up with the idea of making video on my published work. I have published a song book called Jingrwai Lynti Bneng. This is a staff notation where anyone who is interested in learning the correct tune and the correct music can go into this book and looking at the staff notation and listening to what I am playing, you will learn it faster. I have suggested also some way how to accompany the hymns, but you have to keep following the tune, correct tunes, otherwise the accompaniment will not be correct. You have to follow the tune that I have written in the book, and with the tune that is in the book, then the accompaniment is correct. This is the first time I'm trying to make this video. In case you want to comment, please comment it in the video itself so that I can take care of your doubts. And for those who don't know who I am Professor E.Shangpliang, retired head of music department in St. Anthony's. So that's why I came up with this idea. Welcome.